Number 1. A record of the date of arrival and entry of all vessels and aircrafts shall be made in the office of the A. Commissioner of Customs, B. District Collector, C. Chief of the Piers Inspection Division, D. Chairperson of the Commission. Number 2. When shall the unloading of cargo commence? A. Upon recording of the actual time of arrival, B. Upon payment of duties and taxes, C. Upon completion of boarding formalities, D. Upon timely submission of documents by the master. Number 3. The production of proof satisfactory to the district collector that a member of the crew has died, absconded, been forcibly impressed into another service, or discharged shall be borne by who? A. Consul, B. Master of the vessel, C. Customs authorities from the previous port of call, D. None of the above. Number 4. Who may cause the arrest and bring back a vessel or aircraft to the most convenient port with the assistance of other concerned agencies? If a vessel or aircraft arriving from a foreign port departs or attempts to depart before entry. A. Chief of the Philippine Coast Guard, B. Chief of the PID or AOD, C. District Collector of the port, D. All of the above. Number 5. When a vessel from a foreign port is compelled by necessity to put into any other port than that of its destination, the master shall make a protest under oath, setting forth the causes or circumstances of such necessity within blank. A. 24 hours prior to its arrival, B. 24 hours after its arrival, C. 12 hours prior its arrival, D. 12 hours within its arrival.